Do you know what? Never let anyone tell you that being lazy is a bad thing, because boy have I got a story for you. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm about to say. I've already filmed this entire haul, but my memory card said no. Just decided to corrupt itself. I mean, same. However, I am currently taking pride in my lazy self because a few days later, all the clothes were still in my office. They all still had their labels on. Nothing was put away. Here we are. It's like I've never filmed it. But anyway, my friends, today I have for you possibly the biggest clothing haul I have ever done. Next week I'm going on holiday, so I went into Primark and I needed summer clothes, bikinis, shorts, beach cover-ups, you name it, I've got it. I walked out with 6 of these bad boys. 6 big Primark bags, my bank balance was crying. I've got a lot to show you, so I'm just gonna jump straight into it. First up, I'm gonna start with swimwear. When it comes to bikinis, I'm usually really fussy. I have a few bikinis that I wear all the time, and it's rare that I'll find a new one that I like. However, Primark pulled it out the bag. So first up we have this pair of bikini bottoms. I love the colour of these. These were only £3. They feel really nice material as well. They're not see-through at all. I haven't done the wet test yet, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to go in the pool, but I guess we'll find out on holiday. Apologies to anyone that may be in the same all-inclusive resort as me. I feel like this looks quite retro. So you can have the straps on this, or the straps are detachable. The only thing that I don't like is when you've got the straps on, you can see the little clasp. It's really obvious, so I'm not really a fan of that, to be honest. I think I would always wear it without the straps. It still feels really secure. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall down. It's the same nice thick material and it's a little bit padded. And I think the top was also £3. I then picked up one other bikini, and this time I went for a white one. Got a feeling you definitely can't go in any kind of water with this on. But the bottoms were £5. Again, I think they look quite retro. I like the waistband. They're high-waisted, which I love in a bikini. I just think they look so classy, so nice. And then the top that goes with those bottoms looks like this. This is my favourite shape for a bikini top. I love a triangle. I think it looks so flattering. Again, it's a little bit padded, but this one was £8. So this one's a little bit more expensive. Now, I'm not really a swimsuit kind of person. When I say not really, I mean I don't even own one. Until now, my friends. Look at the colour of this. I'm actually obsessed with it. I love the pattern on here. I love that it's got this cutout detail in the front. How much were you, my darling? This was only £10. That is so cheap for a nice swimsuit like this. I love the pattern on it. And then moving on to beach cover-ups. The first one I got is quite plain and simple. So it's just this little white dress. It's floaty, it's thin. It's got 2 little tortoise shell rings on the front. And this was only £5. And then I got a bit of a fancier beach cover up. So this one is peach and flowy and pretty. So this ties up at the front. It's got this little bow. It's elasticated, or is it? It's not elasticated, but I really like the way that it hangs and that it falls at the front. I can imagine wearing this on the beach for a little beach walk, have it flowing in the breeze, you know. I think with a plain white or a plain black bikini, especially the black, this would look really lovely with that. I got this in a size 10 and this little kimono was £12. Moving on to actual clothing. The first item is possibly my favourite thing in this entire haul. And if you follow me on Instagram, chances are you've already seen this. Look at this little pink boiler suit, play suit thing we've got going on here. So this is made of denim. I'm not going to be taking this on holiday because currently in Egypt it's 41 degrees. However, when I get back home and it's getting a little bit warmer into summer, but it's not really warm enough for a crop top and floaty shorts yet, this is going to be perfect. This was £17, so probably one of the more expensive things that I bought this time. However, £17 for an entire outfit, and I absolutely love this. I think putting this with some little white trainers, a little white bag, such a simple outfit, but it looks lovely. I also picked up quite a few crop tops, and I needed some white jeans to go with them. However, they're a little bit see-through. You definitely need nude underwear, which I am not wearing in the try-on sections. Once I started filming it though, I thought, oh, I don't care, you've seen my underwear once, you'll see it a few times in this video. So please excuse the white underwear that I'm wearing when I try these on. They're only £10, so can I really complain? And then a few of the crop tops that I've got to go with said jeans are as follows. So the first one is this little khaki green crop top. It's got the lace detail, it's got some really thin straps, and it was only £4. I also got this one, which is fairly similar, but I don't like this one as much on. So this one is that red or orange? I swear it was red until I looked in the viewfinder, and now that defo looks orange. I don't like this as much because I feel like the material feels a lot cheaper. Although it is really soft, it's quite thin, and the way it sits just isn't very flattering, I don't think. However, it was only £4 again. With a nice little tan and your hair in a bun, I think it could look really cute. The next top I think is my favourite crop top that I picked up this time. It's another little khaki green number, but this one, she's only got one shoulder. She's a little bit risky, but she's still conservative. Conservative, is that the right word? I love a one shoulder moment. I love this ring detail at the front. I like that it kind of like splits into two. It's a little bit different. And it's kind of like a scuba-y material. It's a little bit of a weird material to describe, but I think it feels quite expensive when you've got it on. It definitely doesn't feel like it was, how much were you? A £5. I'm gonna come back to the other tops because I'm getting a bit bored of telling you about them. So the next thing I picked up is this little play suit. But is it a play suit? Because it also has a skirt at the back. What? I know. On the mannequin, this looked amazing. It looked so classy, so elegant. Again, I was getting beach dinner vibes from it, thinking, oh, I can have some seafood on the beach. We'll get a couple of good Instagrams, have a little drink in my hand. Put it on, didn't look like the mannequin. I still like it, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like the top bit is a little bit boxy. However, I do really like the bottom half still. It's also got this little tie around it to do a bow in the front, and this was £15. OMG, the next item, again, is another great find in Primark. Look at this little denim skirt. How cute is this? It's a little bit acid wash. It's got this detail at the front. It's high-waisted. I like everything about it. It's got a raw hem, and it was only £10. And if I'd recommend anything in this haul, this would be one of the strongest items, I think. Gonna be wearing this a lot this summer. Hope you like seeing her, because she's gonna be on your screen all summer. If you watch my videos, that was optimistic thinking by me. Next up, I noticed this style a lot in Primark, but it's just this kind of like, you know, linen, neutrals, and this was £8. Probably one of my favourite things that I bought actually. I always end up with so many Primark hangers and they're just snap. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Why have I decided to do this? I've committed now. Oh, apparently Primark hangers are quite good these days. I've also got another very similar top to the last one. This looks horrific on the hanger. However, when you put it on, it looks really lovely. So again, this is a linen mix. This one was £12, and I really like the way it hangs off your shoulders, and these sleeves look really pretty. The back of it also has this like pleated detail. The next item is probably not the most fitting in this haul. This isn't a very summery item. However, as I've said, I'm going to Egypt, and I think in Egypt the women have to cover their shoulders. I'm not entirely sure, don't hold me to that. But just in case I am right for once, I picked up this little white cardigan. It just ties at the front. I'm going to a country that I've never been before, so I want to be respectful, and I'd rather have the option to wear it than not wear it. I know it's not the trendiest thing, but I actually don't mind it. And I think when I get home for those summer evenings again, this is going to be really perfect. And it was only £7. As soon as I walked into Primark, it was very prominent that paper bag waists are very popular right now. Personally, I've always thought that paper bag waists don't suit me at all. They're just not flattering on me. I don't know how people manage to make them work. They just make me look like I have no shape. They make me look like a rectangle. And to me, where items are supposed to cinch you in, paper bag makes it go out. But I thought I'd give it another try, so I picked up these paper bag waist denim shorts. I hate them though. It's just one of those styles that's not for me. However, I'm sad about it because I really liked these. They're elasticated at the back, and I thought wearing them high-waisted with a little top tucked into them would look super cute, and they were only £10. Shame they just look horrific on me. It looks like I was quite determined to master the paper bag waist, because I also bought this skirt, which also looks horrendous. I really liked this because again, it's linen, I think. I don't know, don't hold me to that. But it's this kind of like natural style of clothing, you know. Paper bag waist though, it's my nemesis. This next one I'm obsessed with. Look at the colour of her. They also had a blue version, so if yellow's not really your thing, you can always go for the blue. I love a bit of peplum detailing around the bottom. It's got a few little buttons. It's also a V at the back, and it has these little ties at the back, so you can make it really flattering at the front, cinch it in, and then have a cute little bow at the back. I really, really like this. This was £8. It feels really nice quality. I might even go back for the blue one because I like it that much. Okay, I feel I can face the tops I abandoned earlier now. Next one looks like this. Really simple, little white crop top. It's got some tortoise shell buttons down the front. It's ribbed, goes with everything, and I thought it would be easy. And it was only £5. Also got a very similar one, but this one is black. and it doesn't have any buttons down the front, but it does have this tie detail. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, so it's about that. This one was £6. Next up, we have another little yellow moment. So here we have this little crop top, which is elasticated around the waist. This was £5, and I really like the neckline of this. I love this kind of, I think it's called a sweetheart neckline, but you can also wear this off the shoulder, and it also looks really nice if you're an off the shoulder kind of gal. However, I prefer it up like this, I think, for the moment, but that makes it quite a versatile top. And for £5, she's just cute. Got a really boring one next. Little white t-shirt, frilly around the bottom and around the sleeves. This one was £4. Another little practical purchase that I made was this pair of black shorts. These are stretchy, they're really lightweight, they're just a really thin material. They tie up at the waist, and they were £4, and I thought literally just to chuck these on wherever I'm going. Handy hand, thinking ahead. Another purchase that doesn't seem very holiday-ish, but I'm very excited about these, is this pair of mum jeans. I tried on a pair of mum jeans in Topshop and they looked horrendous on me. However, these ones I really like. They were so much cheaper. Literally, these were £15, these mum jeans. Then I feel like this is the complete other end of the spectrum. I got a little tea dress. When I saw this in the shop, I thought that is lovely. It looks really pretty. It's got these cute little sleeves on it. It's got buttons all down the front. It's nice and fitted. It's also got a tie at the back. Doesn't that just scream adorable? It's just very long. So I think I'm going to ask my mum to see if she can like take it up and make it a bit shorter. Me, buys a classy dress. Also me. Can you make it shorter though? Something that actually does look nice on though, I think anyway, you might think differently, is this little blouse. Is it a blouse? Is it a top? It's kind of a mixture. I love the colour of this. It's obviously got the two different layers, although the top layer is a fraud, it only goes to the edge. It's got the buttons down the front, it ties at the front. I thought with the white jeans, even some white ripped jeans and some little white heels, this would look lovely. And she's only £12. Oh Han, why have you done this to yourself? I've got another paper bag waist. I love the colour of these trousers, and I think with an all black outfit, these would look so cool. Then I put them on and I realised, yeah, I've tried 3 paper bag items on now and I don't like any of them. It's just not the one for me. I think I need to give up with it. But these were £15. They're kind of like, they're not long trousers, but they're not 3/4 length. They're kind of in between. These feel really nice quality. Oh yeah, just fall off the hanger. That's fine. Not that you're on the hanger for a reason, hun. Next item, we've got a little denim jumpsuit. I absolutely loved this when I saw it. I thought, yeah, that looks quite like cool. And then I put it on and I felt a little bit like an art teacher, but I'm kind of undecided because I kind of like it. Please let me know in the comments down below, but don't be too mean. This was £17, so that's quite a lot of money, I think, and I like to make sure that I'm going to get wear out of my clothes. I don't know if I'm going to wear this enough to justify £17, to be honest with you. The next top is this blouse. It's hard to describe it, so I'll just show you what it looks like on. I'm disappointed by this because it's very see-through. I think the idea of the top looks really nice, and I think what I might have to do is exchange it for a black version. But I just think you can see every line in it, you can see where it overlaps, and that makes it look cheap. And this was £10, so if I could find this in black, that would be perfect. I'm gonna go and have a search for it. The final bit of clothing before I move on to the accessories I got is this denim jacket. I really like this, however, I need to downsize because I underestimated how oversized it is. It's got the tortoiseshell buttons again. Oh my god, if I counted the amount of tortoiseshell buttons in this haul. It was £15, so I think that's quite cheap for a denim jacket. Moving on to the few accessories that I got. The first thing, I actually picked up a new beach bag because how nice is this? I've never had like a, is this wicker? I've never had one of these beach bags before, basically. It's got this navy strap. I thought with any bikini this would look nice. Me and my mum are going to take 2 different beach bags on holiday and we're going to share them between us, so whichever outfit suits the other person most, we're just going to go with that. But we're not too fussy, it's a beach bag. All you put in there is like your towels and your, that's it, your towels. Your earphones and your book maybe. I need to get a book. Once a year that I read a book is on holiday. Got to get my education in, you know, I'm a YouTuber now. When else will I learn? Anyway, £12, nice little bag. This pair of shoes, look at them. Do you know what? These are so comfortable. The bottoms of them are quite padded. I was very impressed at the quality of these. These were only £6. You can't go to Primark in the summer without picking up a pair of 90p flip-flops. I always get the black ones because they go with everything, but I think I've got white ones, gold ones, blue ones. Balling with my 90p flip-flops. Just quickly, I picked up some more eyelashes. These are the GWA Fantasy Fairy Lashes. I've actually got them on today as well. Really like them, they're quite natural looking and I think they'll be perfect for when I go away. And I also got some more dark duo glue. I didn't know they did this in Primark. It is the best eyelash glue in town and this was £5.50. Everyone and their mother seems to have hopped on this hair clip trend. So have I. I picked up these ones for £2. I thought they were quite nice. And then the final thing of this entire haul, I've saved the best till last. We've got a bikini bag. They had a lot of different styles, but I like the watermelon one best. But anyway, my friends, that is everything that I bought from Primark this time. Let me know in the comments down below, are you going on holiday anywhere this year? If you are, where are you going? I want to know. I love a holiday chat. I should be a hairdresser because I love talking about people's holidays. Do subscribe to see my future videos, but I just want to quickly say that I'm really sorry if I miss any uploads over the next couple of weeks. I'm not sure what the internet's going to be like at the hotel, but I'm going to try my very best to continue uploading. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon with another video. If this memory card fails me again, I'm actually going to cry. Oh, now my camera battery's flashing. Are you joking me? The universe just doesn't want me to upload this video.